going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another Christmas cocktail. And today's Christmas cocktail is the Dirty Snowmen. And this recipe, it says for 2 people. So get your 2 glasses and rim it with chocolate. What we've gone for is melted chocolate like this. And get your chocolate shavings and just rim it again, like this. And again for the next glass. And there we go. Right, what we want to do now is get your vanilla ice cream and put in some scoops now. Right, now pour in your hot chocolate. Because I pour it into about 3/4 of the glass, and there we go. Now top it with Baileys. Pour about 60 ml or 2 ounces of Baileys. Right, now get your spray cream and pour it on top. Right, now get your chocolate sprinkles and put it on top. That's a nice Christmas cocktail. It's got Baileys, it's got ice cream, and got chocolate. What more could you want for a Christmas cocktail? So get your straws. And there you go. And there we go, 2 Dirty Snowmen. How does this delicious Christmas cocktail taste? Bloody lovely, to be honest. So nice and refreshing, that. But that, guys, is the Dirty Snowman. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, and I will see you guys for the next Christmas cocktail. And have a nice Christmas if I don't see you then. That's all for now, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the next Christmas cocktail. Cheers.